Hi Pisces Collective. Ako po si Glims369. Welcome po. Tingnan po natin kung anong meron sa inyo. This is timeless read. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung anong meron kay Pisces Collective. Para po sa mga resonate, hit the thumbs up po. Comment below. Hit the notification na rin po para po stay connected tayo. Para po sa hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Baka po masagap ko ng energy nyo next time. At saka past, present, and future po, maaaring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. At saka, kung hindi mo to energy, baka energy sa environment mo or energy ng taong connected sa'yo. Okay, Pisces? Let's see. Give me 3 cards for my Pisces Collective, please. This is timeless read. Okay. So, let's see for my Pisces. 1, 2, 3. Wow. We'll see. Bottom of the deck, the Hermit card. Okay. Which is 9. Okay, 9. Page of Air. Oh, the Hangman. At saka 10 of Water. 12. Maybe significant. 12 or in numerology, 2 plus 1, 3. Maybe significant again. 3, it's all about, search nyo na lang po. Nalimutan ko eh. So, let's see. Page of Air. Merong spy dito. Or maybe nasa internet ka with the Page of Air. This is my internet card. Ewan ko lang po sa ibang reader. Pero, lahat po ng reader may kanya-kanya pong interpretation sa card. Hindi lang po yung meaning ang sinusunod namin tsaka instruction ng card. Depende po sa intuition at sa clarification ng reader. Okay po, so Page of Air. Let's see, clarify the Page of Air. Meron ang 10 at saka 12 dito. Pisces. Tsaka 12 din ang number ng Pisces dito. So, it makes sense. Kung hindi resonate sa iyo ang 12, i-break down mo 2 plus 1 equals 3. Baka 3 significant. I don't know. So, we'll see. Page of Air. Clarify the Page of Air for my collective Pisces. Ang tagal. Bubunot na nga lang ako. 9 of Cups. 9 of Cups. 10 of Cups. This is 10 of Water. Okay. So, we'll see. 10 of Cups again. Like, wow. 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 9 to the 10 of Cups. Clarify the Hangman. Mukhang nasa internet lang nga. With the Page of Air. Hindi ko naman masasabing siguro nag-i-spy ka. Kung spyer ka, hindi ko alam kung sinong ini-spyan mo. Okay. Kung hindi ka naman nag-i-spy, nasa internet ka. Anong pinagbababaran mo? Makikita mo naman siguro ang clarification ng pinagbababaran mo. 9 to the 10 of Cups. Goals and dreams and your heart's desire. Okay. So, we'll see. Ooh, huy. Bakit puro cups dito, Brad? 9 of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. Wow. God damn it, Pisces. What do you have? The Hermit card again. What? Pisces. Ito lang masasabi ko. Kasi ang dalawang overall energy mo is parehas Hermit. Hermit card, the Hermit card. So, ano ba ang Hermit card? I think, search mo na lang sa Google, Brad. Tingnan mo na lang, Pisces, kung anong meron sa Hermit. Okay. The Hermit card is all about searching knowledge. It's all about wisdom. It's all about knowledge. It makes sense kung nasa internet ka. Okay. Meron kang something na ginagawa. Okay. Or meron kang goals or something. Clarify ko ba nga? Naiinteresado ko. 5 of Wands. Conflicted ka sa sarili mo habang nagsasearch ka. But the Magician. Kaya mo siyang i-manifest pero mentalista ka. Sometimes you don't know what to do. 8 to the 9 of Swords. Like, what the fuck with the Wheel of Fortune. Ang sarap naman. Sandali nga. Iusap ko nga to ng konti. Pisces, mag-usap nga tayo dito sa first row. Page of Swords, either spying or you are spying on someone or someone is spying on you. But in general, sa nakikita ko dito with the Wheel of Fortune, you are stressing out or stuck. Halimbawa, may sinerge ka tapos na-stuck ka kasi you don't know what to do. But you are still manifesting it on moving onwards. But mentally, kumbaga, ang mental mo is merong, parang feeling mo merong obstacle in the way. Ang 9 to the 10 of Cups is hindi basta-basta mong makukuha your desire, your wish, your goals, whatever it is. But nandito ang Magician card at saka the Wheel of Fortune para lang malaman mo. Kung ano man ang ginagawa mo sa internet or sino man ang nagsasearch sa'yo or sino man ang tao man yan or ikaw man yan itself, meron kang minamanifest dito. Okay, but sometimes para sa akin ng 5 of Wands is kalaban mo sarili mo, okay? Ang daming mong iniisip, ang daming naglalaban sa isip mo, okay? But sometimes it can represent taong nasa palibot mo na against sa mga pinaggagawa mo, okay? At saka, hindi ko alam kung when it regards to searching, na-stuck ka and then, pero gusto mo siya, okay? Together with the 9 of Swords, ano ba yan? Nahulog siya. Wait lang. Okay, so 8 of Swords, stuck mindset, physically stuck, mentally stuck, emotionally stuck. Hanggang sa bumaba ka na sa 9, umakyat ka na sa 9 of Swords. 9 of Swords is you cannot sleep thinking about over and over and over and over again on how to figure out something. Paano mo ma-figure out? May challenges ka dito eh. Okay? While you are searching or maybe someone is searching about you and they see the potential already, maybe you see the potential, nakikita mo na, silip mo na, alam mo na kung ano ang dapat gawin, alam mo na, but there is something in the way. Okay? So, na-stuck ka ngayon, na-stress ka, hindi ka na makatulog. Same thing, crosswatcher. Okay? Nagko-crosswatch sa Pisces. Baka ikaw ang nagsasearch kay Pisces. Meron kang sinesearch about sa kanya. Tapos, nakita mo na, silip mo na siya na nga. Tapos, merong obstacle on the way. Na-stuck ka ngayon. Loading ka ngayon. But, the good thing is, sa lapag ng sa plato na to, meron ang Magician card at saka the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so time will tell at saka it is destined to happen anyway. Remove yourself here. Stuck mentality. You need to move forward. Hindi ko naman sinabing hindi mo pagdadaanan yan. Ewan ko ba kung anong ginagawa mo. Basta ang ibig ko sabihin, wag kang mag-standby. Kasi dadating ka na sa anxious energy. Anxious energy, depressed energy, ulit-ulit mong iisipin, okay? So, don't put yourself into the situation na alam mong maista ka or move on, okay, to another option or move on to another kung anong man ang dapat mong i-move on, okay? When it regards to the internet or searching about something, together naman sa person, same thing, crosswatcher. Kung sinesearch mo si Pisces at kita mo na, manifestation is coming. I think it's on the air already. Parang may na-vision ako dito yung parang pabunutan. Na tapos bubunutin mo na lang. Kaya lang yung isang plastic na merong gusto mong kunin, abay hindi mo maabot. Tapos napapagod ka na sa kakalundag at kakaabot, proceed ka na sa isang plastic muna. Baka malay mo, pag nakuha mo yung isang plastic o di makuha mo na yung isang plastic. Parang ganun ang vision ko. The same thing naman sa mga pag-i-spy ng person, no? Kaya baka may ini-spyan ka or baka may nag-i-spy sa'yo. Either way lang yan, no? Kaya yun ang nakikita ko dito sa first row. Pisces, okay? Pero ang ganda, kasi 9 of Cups to the 10 of Cups, there is problem on the way. Pero you need to be aware na merong, kasi 5 to eh. It needs to happen anyway. It is destined to happen. Nilagay yan dyan kasi hindi naman pwedeng, god damn it, oh. Sige nga, explain mo sa akin kung wala kang pagdadaanan dyan. Yan lahat puro positive. Nasa internet ka tapos puro positive. No, it's not gonna be easy, baby. Okay, kung sino man ang sinesearch mo, sino man yan, person man yan, or topic man yan, or kahit na ano man yan, get out of it. Hindi ko naman sinabing hindi mo pukusan. What I mean is, huwag mong istambayan. Baga, move or proceed to another section, tapos balikan mo na lang. Okay, so, kakaroon ka ng sleepless night. Hindi ko naman masisisi kasi baka may gusto ka dun sa isa, tapos may nagustuhan kang isa. Okay, so Pisces, hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa mo sa internet. Basta internet. Okay. Spying on someone, spying on something, searching on something, searching on someone. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko sa first row, Pisces. Sana naman ay hindi ko kayo na-confuse. Second row, mag-usap nga tayo dito. Two of Cups at saka the Sun Guard together with the Hangman. Merong stuck sa'yo dito. But with the Sun Guard, you both know. I think stuck kayo pareho. Kasi Two of Cups is equal give and take. This is not one-sided. Hindi ito yung sinasabing one-sided love or one-sided connection. This is, Two of Cups is equal give and take, okay? Together with the Sun Guard, you both fill each other cup, okay? You both bring happiness to each other, okay? There's an equality here. You both stuck to each other with the Hangman, okay? So with the 3 and 12, maybe it makes sense, or maybe it baka significant sa'yo ang 3 or 12, okay? Clarify ko nga. Tsaka the Hermit card, Brad, napaka-lakas ng advice sa'yo, yung introspection, searching knowledge, searching something. I mean, hindi ko sinabing mag-search ka. What I mean, ang the Hermit card is knowing about something or knowing about someone. Going within, seeking wisdom, or knowing thyself. Yun ang the Hermit card. Ang lakas kasi dalawa ang overall energy mo is the Hermit card. Okay. You're gonna open up all those doors. Kasi yung keys, yun nga sinasabi ko, yung parang pabunutan, baga Brad. Yun ang nakita ko sa mga susing nasa taas, paano mo siya ma-unlock. Nasaan man, di putang susi na itong pinto na ito. Sorry lang ha, mga bad words ko. Sorry lang, expression lang yan. Judge me if you want, but anyways, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Clarify the Sun card. What? With the Ace of Wands. Okay, ang sarap naman with the Four of Wands. Like, Pisces, what are you doing? Or maybe someone here, okay, baka ito ang desire mo, okay. Ang ganda naman ng ano mo dito. Ang ganda ng second row, I like it. It's a very positive already. Okay, so kung sino man to, both each other desire, same mentality, same desire. Okay, kung sino man ang partner mo or kanino ka mang connected at the moment or in the future or in the past, I don't know if this person is in your past. I don't know, but this person is thinking about getting in together with you, very passionate about you, very nostalgic about you. Not nostalgic kasi wala namang 6 of Cups, pero if I feel kung ikaw at siya is merong disconnection or meron akong reconciliation na nakikita dito with the Sun Guard. Kasi bakit ko nasabing both of you are not together, because with the Hangman here, okay. Pero ang desire nyo is iisa lang. Kung anong isip mo, yun din ang isip niya, okay. Hindi ko alam kung sino yan para sa'yo. Kung hindi mo yan energy, baka energy ng taong connected sa'yo. Okay, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Ace of Wands. Wow, this is a very new beginning with a passionate kind of thing na hindi ko ma-explain. For Wands to the Ace of Wands, like, oh, come on. Physical exercise and the thing there. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Pisces. Hindi ko alam kung sino to sa'yo. Kung separated kayong dalawa, merong reconciliation dito. Baka yung sinasabi kong 12 or 3 is very significant. Meron din 4 dito. I don't know which number there. Okay. Okay, so sa nakikita ko dito, ang ganda ng second row mo, it's all about balancing things out. Bakit ko nasabing balancing? Kasi 4 of Wands is all about stability. It's all about 4 na haligi yan. So, balance yan. Ace of Wands, balance the emotion, balance. With the Sun Guard, very positive ang nasa gitna. I really like it. Congratulations, Pisces. Kung ano yung desire mo, desire din niya. Kung ano yung nafe-feel mo, nafe-feel din niya. Merong telepathic communication dito na somewhere or somehow or someday, you're gonna be like together again. You know what I mean? Merong reconciliation ako nakikita dito with the Four of Wands, Two of Cups. The Hangman, I think you are stuck on something, or maybe someone is stuck on something. Hangman kasi represent ng stuck energy, stagnant energy, delay energy. But at the same time, ang ganda ng clarification ng stuck ng Hangman, ng delay ng Hangman. Ang ganda ng clarification niya kasi isa lang ang iniisip niya. Okay. Be with you, to get together with you, to have a passionate reconciliation with you, to have a union with you. This card can represent union as well. Itong dalawang card na to. Okay, very passionate. So, Pisces, ewan ko kung sinong hinihintay mo or hinihintay ka niya, I don't know. But it will take place. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito sa third row o second row. Ang third row mo is meron kang Ten of Water, which is Ten of Cups. Okay, Ten of Water. Pasensya na po sa background. Medyo may nagano sa labas eh. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa nila. So, Nine of Pentacles to the Queen of Pentacles. Ah, let's grow, baby. You can pay your own bills. Very independent energy. Alpha female, alpha male. Together with the Queen of Pentacles. You don't know. You don't need anything. You don't, hindi ko naman sinabing hindi mo kailangan, wala kang kailangan, of course, but you can do it on your own anyway. Yun ang gusto kong i-point out. You can do, you can, sensya na ako, nadidelete ako, Pisces. Ten of Water, clarification is Nine of Pentacles at saka Queen of Cups ay Queen of Pentacles. It's all about the bag. Like, what in the world? It's all about the bag and it's all about the cups. So, very positive reading for you, Pisces. Clarify pa nga. What in the world? Devil Guard. Clarify ko yung obsessed ka sa magiging fortune mo, or obsessed ka sa pagiging independent mo, or obsessed ka to the fact na kaya mong i-reach yung goals mo, your hearts and desire. Kung gusto mong i-manifest love, automatically it will come, but you will manifest it, but you are not going to be like tawag din kasi ang Ten of Cups is emotion eh. Wish in your heart and your goals and your whatever you desire, together with the Queen of Pentacles and the Nine of Pentacles and the Devil Guard. This is obsession already. Obsessed ka sa bag, or obsessed ka hindi sa bag. Baka, basta, some of you. Queen of Pentacles, obsessed ka sa creating on something, or doing on something, or growing something, to be independent and to be like what your heart's desire. Okay, goals mo. With the Devil Guard, obsessed. Kaya siguro nasa internet ka, Brad. It makes sense. I don't know, but the card is telling me like, you know, together with the Hermit card, napakalakas ng bottom of the deck mo, overall energy. Hermit. Search the Hermit in the Google. Search mo yung Hermit. Ang dami mong makikita. Ang dami mong i-explore dito, Pisces. Yun lang na nakikita ko. Ang ganda ng second row mo. I like it. It will come. Okay. Time will tell, together with the Wheel of Fortune, with the Magician card. Hindi ko alam kung ano minamanifest mo. Sinong nag-i-spy sa'yo. May nag-i-spy din sa'yo dito. Maaring ikaw to, o maaring may obsessed din sa'yo. Kaya panay-spy din siya kung ano na ang status mo sa buhay. Single ka pa ba? Married ka pa ba? Divorce ka na? Or whatsoever. Ano ba ang daily basis mo? Together with the Devil card, this is obsession already. This is obsessed about the money. Okay? Obsessed about making your own stability, obsessed of being independent. Okay, so give me 3 cards for the advice. The Age of Light. You've been training for this for a lifetime. God damn it, grabe ka naman, Pisces. Maybe you are an old soul. Kasi ang sabi dito, the age of light. So, you've been training for this, basahin mo nga, yung sa baba. You've been training for this for lifetimes. So, ang dami mo ng beses. Unbound. Releasing soul patterns, contracts, and past lives. I told you, you are a past life. You are a past life. You are an old soul. Okay, what else? Mintakan. Longing for home, belonging, the original light worker. So, Pisces, I don't fucking know what you are doing. So, transformation at the bottom of the deck. Beautiful. Ang ganda. It makes sense. Ito yata to sa first row. And the third row. Okay. Ang ganda ng reading mo. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. So, transformation. Things are changing at a cellular level. Deep healing. Okay. Ang masasabi ko lang dito, kasi ang Hermit card is nasa overall energy para sa ending closing ko. The Hermit card is all about wisdom. As I said, know thyself. Okay, maybe if you do the Hermit thing, Pisces, baka magkakaroon ka ng epiphany or magkakaroon ka ng clarity about something. Or makikita mo yung way. Ang path mo is very, very clear. Okay? Magkakaroon ka ng you will get the key on something. Okay? That your heart desire. Anong dinidesire mo. Okay, but set your intention very clear to the universe or for God or to God. For God, to God. Okay. Make your mind clear before, because it's all about thoughts. It's all about, gusto mo ng manifestation dito with the Magician card. You're manifesting something, okay. And you are, the transformation is the bottom of the deck. So, napakaganda. Ganda ng advice sa'yo. Okay, 3 cards. 6, 5, meron kang Jack, and 3. 6, 5, 3. Pisces, search mo yan sa Google. Message angel number 653. Tingnan mo anong message sa'yo. Maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. Okay, or sa magiging sitwasyon mo. So, or sa naging sitwasyon mo, Jack. Maybe this is a younger male, younger energy, okay, na nag-pass away na. So, isa siya sa mga guardian angel mo. Open the message, Pisces 653, angel message number. Meron kang message dyan. The Hermit card. Be on the Hermit mode, Pisces. Why? Doon ka magkakaroon ng clarity or doon mo makikita ang susi kung saan nakalagay. Yung susi na sa pinto na pinaka-desire mong buksan. Okay, so yun lang maihahain ko sa'yo, Pisces. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.